What is up, guys? I am back, and it's been a long time since we posted a video on this channel. And today, we are bringing you Topps Baseball Series 1? Yes.
Whoa.
It comes with 4 packs and a Fielding Award card that you see. And for that card, as you can see, I got Anthony Rizzo of the Chicago Cubs. So now I'll just open it. There we go.
Whoa.
Anthony Rizzo. It's a Fielding Award. We have our 4 packs here. So let's open one. Okay, first pack. First card is Junior Guerrera, Milwaukee Brewers. Ooh, that's a good player. Giancarlo Stanton.
Nice.
That's a good player. Adam Wainwright, St. Louis Cardinals. Ooh, 30th anniversary Topps, and it's throwback card, Clayton Kershaw. That's a good card, and it's like all old edition. That's pretty cool. Adrian Beltre, he's pretty good for the Rangers. Ooh, team card, Philadelphia Phillies. Daddy, you're gonna like that. Gregor Polanco on the Giants. Okay, so that was the first pack. We got pretty good players. I think it was a good pack. Okay, next pack. Aaron Hicks, New York Yankees. Robert Gesellman, rookie card, New York Mets. Felix Hernandez, Marlins. Wait, yeah, Mariners, I mean, not Marlins. Shin-Soo Choo, Rangers. Ooh, this is kind of like a special card. Nate Jones, Chicago White Sox. It's like design kind of different. David Ortiz, Hank Aaron Award. This picture. Craig Kimball, he does like the little thing when he pitches on the Red Sox. Trevor Story for Colorado Rockies. And last, a rookie card, the Diamondbacks, Braden Shipley. Giancarlo Stanton again. Oh, I grabbed 2 cards. Adam Wainwright again, Cardinals. Charlie Blackmon. Oh my gosh. Chris Bryant. It's a Hank Aaron Award. That is definitely good. He's on the cover of the top card pack, whatever. Aaron Nola, Philadelphia Phillies pitcher. Zach Britton, Orioles pitcher. Mookie Betts for the White Sox. Okay guys, last pack. I hope it's good. Okay, for first card, Lucas Duda, first baseman, New York Mets. Corey Dickerson, Tampa Bay Rays. Ooh, Ryan Braun, 5'2". That's cool. Look at that, 5'2". Ryan Braun, Milwaukee Brewers.
Milwaukee.
That's cool. It's like him hitting, fielding. It's like all of that. That's cool. Ooh. Rediscover Topps Yankees Tommy John. It's an old card. That's cool. David Ortiz, Red Sox. Madison Bumgarner, pitcher for the Giants. And my last card is David Dahl, Colorado Rockies. So guys, we're gonna give you a close-up of all what I think the best cards I got.
Tommy John, a throwback.
Charlie Blackmon. Zach Britton. Giancarlo Stanton. David Ortiz.
Big Puppy.
Big Puppy. Oh. Madison Bumgarner. Mookie Betts, Ryan Braun,
It's that 5-tool card.
Felix Hernandez, throwback Clayton Kershaw,
That card's sick.
David Ortiz, Anthony Rizzo. Drum roll, please.
Is this your favorite card of the whole pack?
Probably. Chris Bryant.
Yeah.
So guys, that was my Topps baseball pack opening. If you liked it, hit that like button or comment that you liked it, and we will possibly do it again. And hopefully me and my dad will be back for baseball predictions on this channel, something. And that's the video. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time.